Let us consider this problem of computing mean deviation from mode. Okay, say I have given two problems here. This is an individual series and this is a discrete series, right? See here, mode is equal to the number which occurs for many times, 5. Fine. Okay, and for an individual series, mean deviation from mode is summation modulus of x minus mode divided by n is the formula, right? So let me first write the x values. Let us write it in ascending order. 4 times and 6, 7, 8 numbers. Now x minus mode. What is mode? 5. Modulus of x minus mode. 2 minus 5, 4 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is minus 3, but you are writing it as plus 3 because you have modulus here. Add all these values, you get 5. Oh, you have one more value? Yes. Sorry, you have 2 here, right? Now compute the total. You have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So mean deviation from mode is 7 divided by number of values, which is 8, right? So 7 divided by 8 is 0.88. Now consider this problem. You are supposed to compute the mean deviation from mode, for which first mode has to be computed. You cannot just locate it by inspection for a continuous or for a discrete series. Frame a grouping table. Write the x values in the first column. X values should be in ascending order. Yes, they are in ascending order. Write the values of f in the second column. Identify the column as the first column. Add these values. Add these values. Add these values. Right? In the third column, leave the first value and add in 2's. Write the total at the center. Add in 2's. Write the total at the center. Grouping in 2's is done for 2 times. Now group in 3's. Right? Now grouping in 3 should be done for 3 times. You did it for first time. Leave the first value and do it for the second time. After this, you don't have 3 values. Leave it. In the sixth column, leave the first 2 values and group in 3's. Right? Identify the maximum value in each column. Right? Now you should frame the analysis table. In analysis table, write the x values in the leftmost. No, let us have x values in the topmost row and column number in the leftmost column. Okay, x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The column numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Always frame up to 6 columns. Okay. See, in the first column, the maximum value is 30. It corresponds to 3. The maximum value is 55. This line says that you got it by adding these 2 numbers. Right? The line is between the numbers. So the corresponding values are 3 and 4. Here the maximum value is 45. This line says you got it by adding these 2 numbers, 4 and 5. 70. You got it by adding these 3 numbers, 4, 5 and 6. 65. You got it by adding these 3 numbers, 2, 3 and 4. 75, you got it by adding these three numbers. The corresponding values of x are 3, 4 and 5. See, when you calculate the total, you get now no tally under 1, only one tally. Here 4, here 5, here 3, here 1. So the mode is equal to 4. Actually, when you see the frequency distribution, when you say x is the value, the mode is the value which corresponds to maximum frequency, you will say 3 is the mode. But that is not the actual definition of mode. Mode is the value of x which corresponds to maximum frequency density. So mode is equal to 4. Mode is equal to 4. Now let us compute the mean deviation from mode. What is the formula? It is a discrete series, right? Mean deviation from mode is summation f into modulus of x minus mode divided by summation f is the formula. So let us write the values here. X, I am going to frame a table, and the frequencies. Modulus of x minus mode. What is your mode here? 4, right? We computed mode as 4, right? The value of x which corresponds to maximum frequency. So 1 minus 4 minus 3, write it as plus 3. 2 minus 4 minus 2. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 4 minus 4 0. 5 minus 4 1. 6 minus 4 2. Fine. Now construct a column f into x minus mode. Multiply these two values. 15, 20, 30, 0, 20 into 1, 20, 25 into 2, 50. Add all these values, 135. Now write mean deviation from mode is summation f into modulus of x minus mode divided by summation f, which is 130 divided by, what is summation f? (135) divided by 115. 135 divided by 115. You get 1.17. Now coefficient of mean deviation is mean deviation divided by mode. That is 1.17 divided by mode is 4. 1.17 divided by 4, 0.29 is the answer. Right? So this is how you compute mean deviation from mode. Fine. Thank you.